intermediate ma trigonometry chapter first exercise ma eliminate theta from the following. X is equal to a cos cube theta, y is equal to b sin cube theta. Okay, in this we can eliminate the theta. Okay, how we can eliminate? By using trigonometric identities. So what are the trigonometric identities? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Cosecant square theta minus cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay, x is equal to a cos cube theta. Here, a here multiple. This a comes to divide. That is here x by a is equal to cos cube theta. Y by b is equal to sin cube theta. Okay, so this cube here, this cube is going to left side. What will happen? Exponent form, that is 1 by 3. Okay, here this cube is going to left side. What happen? 1 by 2. So that is here x by a whole power 1 by 3 cos theta, y by b whole power 1 by 3 sin theta. Okay, now we can do that square on both sides. Square on both sides. So then we can get as x by a whole power 1 by 3 whole square is equal to cos square theta, y by b whole power 1 by 3 whole square sin square theta. Okay, here we know that one identity is what is that? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So that is here sin square theta plus cos square theta. Okay, is equal here sin square theta means how much? Y by b whole power 1 by 3 whole square. A power m whole power n is equal a power m into n. That is here 2 by 3 plus x by a whole power. Here also same. A power m whole power n. A power m into n. That is 1 by 3 into 2. That is 2 by 3. Okay, so x by a whole power 2 by 3. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So that is here x by a whole power 2 by 3 plus y by b whole power 2 by 3. You know, this is the way to eliminate the theta from this given equations. Next, eliminate theta. X is equal to a cos power 4 theta, y is equal to b sin power 4 theta. Okay, here a cos power 4 theta means a here multiple. This a comes to divide. That is here x by a is equal to cos to the power of 4 theta, y by b is equal to sin to the power of 4 theta. Okay, this 4 you can write as 2 jump. Okay, a power m into n. We can write as a power m into a power m whole power n. Okay, that is here x by a is equal to cos square theta whole square, y by b is equal to sin square theta whole square. Okay, this square comes out what happen? Its exponent form is become 1 by 2, the left side. Okay, so that is here x by a whole power 1 by 2 is equal to cos square theta, y by b whole power 1 by 2 is equal to sin square theta. Okay, so now here these two we can add in. Okay, that is here sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal y by b whole power 1 by 2 plus x by a whole power 1 by 2. So sin square theta plus cos square theta, its value is 1. You can write as square root of x by a plus square root of y by b. So this is the way to eliminate the theta from the given equations. Next one. X is equal to a of secant theta plus tan theta, y is equal to b of secant theta minus tan theta. Here a is multiple. This a comes to divide. X by a is equal to secant theta plus tan theta. Y by b is equal to secant theta minus tan theta. Okay, here we know that identity is secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Okay, here that is we can multiply these two equations, x by a into y by b, that is equal to secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta. A plus b into a minus b, that is equal to a square minus b square. So that is here we can get as secant square theta minus tan square theta. So x by a into y by b, not x into y, xy, a into b, ab is equal 1. So xy is equal to AB. So this is the way to eliminate the theta from the given equations.